In this video, we're going to go over how CxEngage handles email interactions inside the Skylight desktop interface. Skylight is able to take many different kinds of media alongside each other. I can have phone calls and chats and emails all come through side by side, and this is going to focus specifically on email as a type of media that we support. You'll notice that as an email comes in, I receive a notification as an agent logged into the queue that there's an email awaiting my help. To answer that email, I just click anywhere inside this box, and the email comes up, and I am now been active, able to work with the particular email in question. You'll notice that an agent is able to choose to reply or not to reply to an email. If I hit the no reply button here, it will dequeue the email and I will not respond. I can also go through and hit the reply button to formally reply to this particular email. When I reply, you'll notice that I could extend to the recipients of the email. So if I wanted to send an email to a new recipient, test@me.com, I can click on those ellipses there, type test@me.com, hit tab, and that is now an active new recipient for this email. You'll notice that the email will also tell me I have an option to send attachments into the email. I also can select some of the same messaging templates that I have access to inside the messaging channel. I can share those templates between messages and emails at the same time. I also can reply directly by typing. So typing goes here. Notice that if I were to highlight using my mouse or my keyboard any particular string inside this email, I could underscore it, italicize it, boldface it. If I needed to emphasize areas of text, I also can apply some basic formatting from an HTML perspective, make it nice and large, bring it as an indented quote, make it as a list, either ordered or unordered. So I could apply some basic formatting to this particular email as well. Notice that if you decided after wanting to reply that you did not want to reply, you could hit the cancel button, and that'll take you back to the original email. You also could hit send once you have finished replying. So I'll go ahead and hit cancel here. And when I do that, I'm returned back to the original email. Note also when an email comes in, I do see what flow it came in on. In other words, which CxEngage flow handled the email. I can see what queue the email was routed to, and I can receive any attachments that were originally attached to the email in question. I can also write notes, disposition, and handle other bits of data around the email itself. And these are different operations you can perform when using the CxEngage email interface.